EDA 620 folks. I am very happy to be here and to have this opportunity to introduce myself today. So I am Dr. Kaiser, Leanne, Dr. Leanne, Professor, whatever you are comfortable addressing me as, I am fine as well. I am thrilled to be your instructor here in EDA 620 this semester. Let me share a little bit just to introduce myself to all of you. First off, I have been a faculty member here at Colorado State University since 2008, and I get the absolute privilege to work with all these amazing people you see in front of you. These are our adult education and training faculty, some former students as well. As you can tell, we're not all just reading and grading papers. We really enjoy each other and we enjoy spending time together. I couldn't be happier with the people that I work with and with the amazing program that we have in the adult education and training. This is some pictures of my family. As you can tell, we like to spend time outside, hiking and on the water and whatnot. That very bottom picture with the trees in the mountains, if I can entice you, we offer a class every summer in that exact setting. So if that is of interest to you, reach out to me. It's kind of an awesome class. My husband, Steve, is a physical therapist and an EMT and a firefighter. My son, Sam, you can see there, and then my daughter, Anna, as well. Besides doing stuff outside, we keep busy, of course, as anybody has with kids, all sorts of their activities that they enjoy as well. Our other family members, we have Grace, our little black kitty, who, despite looking cute with her scarf, was probably ready to rip our faces off in that picture. And then Jack, our other cat, hanging out in my suitcase, a little sad I was going somewhere. And our two other family members, George and Jurgen. I never thought that I would have a guinea pig, and my daughter got some, and they are just the sweetest little creatures. If you've never had one, they're wonderful. This is where I live. I live in Laramie, Wyoming, which is about an hour north of the CSU campus. So this picture was taken last April. The amount of snow we got was a little shocking. This picture was taken in June. Yeah, it still snows in June in Laramie. We're at over 7,000 feet, so essentially we live on top of a mountain. Luckily, though, we also like to do outdoor things in the winter, like go skiing. And we're also very lucky to have beautiful summers as well. So in the summer, I get to do lovely things like do my vegetable gardens and my flower gardens. Some other things I enjoy, reading books. Apparently my cat Jack does as well. And honestly, just sitting in the sun, having a cup of tea. A couple more pictures of my garden because, you know, I can't show you all those snowy ones and not show you a little bit of this as well. So talk about this class just briefly. You'll get a lot more as we dig into this semester, but a short overview. It's going to be awesome. This is a class that students always walk away really impressed with how much they've been able to immediately apply and use in their own teaching and to improve their teaching. So the big things we'll do. First off, in the first couple of weeks in the semester, we're going to really dig into who are you? Who are you truly and really as an educator? We'll then move into kind of the specific things to think about when you're planning a learning session. People are often pretty surprised what kind of depth goes into this and thought goes into this. We'll talk about learner motivation. Always, always, always a topic, especially for adult learners, and it's an important one. We'll talk about learning transfer. Strangely enough, something people don't think about that much, but how do you ensure what your learners are learning, they are then able to do, use, remember, understand after they're done with you? Finally, I would just like to put this out there. Please realize I am here. You can reach out to me at any time, an email, a phone call, a Zoom meeting, whatever it may be. If you just want to chat about the class, if you have questions or concerns, whatever it may be. You'll get tired of me saying this. I finish almost every message with this, but I truly do mean it. I want to communicate and I want to work individually and closely with every single one of you this semester in as much as you need that. So, welcome to class. I'm excited to have you here. Thank you for letting me introduce myself. I greatly look forward to your introductions. You certainly don't have to put together a whole presentation, but you know, if you wanted to do a short video, I always love those just to be able to see the faces of the folks that I'm working with. All right, here's to a good semester.